Hi guys, yeah, welcome to my first game programming tutorial. What I'm gonna be tutoring you guys is how to make a BrickBreaker game in javaFx. You can also follow along in Java if you can get the display and the UI and the GUI part right. So we're gonna be making a simple game just like this one. So you press the spacebar to shoot, and yeah. So every single brick has different lives and has different colors for each life, kind of like color switch. Not color switch, this is a game, I don't know, yeah. And then if I do this, my life goes down, and then it says game over, press enter to play again. I press enter, and then it starts with everything resetted. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing in our new game tutorial series, and yeah, so peace. Hope you like and subscribe.